I'm not even gonna worry about all this. See that? Saw that? I'm gonna go get a blowout. I'm not dealing with it. Oh my god, did Instagram stories start working again? Throwing on our P. Louise base. You already know. Y'all better use that code. Get y'all discount. Oh, and swipe up. You're gonna want to swipe up because I did a whole tutorial on how to use the P. Louise bases. You're gonna want to watch that. Go after this. All right, so we're gonna keep the actual eye makeup incredibly simple because we're gonna do a red lip, blue liner, and glitter. But I'm gonna use this palette right here. This is the Rustic Glam from Dominique Cosmetics. You can actually use my code ROSE for a discount on this bad boy right here. It is so pretty, y'all. I've used it so many times. But it's got some nice neutrally tones that we're gonna need right through here. So let's just dive right in. I'm just gonna grab a little bit of this shade. And this is a Smith 235. And I'm gonna tap it right through the crease. Like I said, this is gonna be a really, really simple eye look. We just want a little bit of definition. And I'll just start to do circular motions and just bring it upwards. I'm loving this Sigma brush. It's a E42, just for like really detailed, nice, small, little tiny circles. You know I love those. I'm gonna go into the shade now. Start on the brow bone. And then start to bring it this way and just really smooth all of that together. By now there's really nothing left on the brush. So we're just gonna take it down through here as well, just to make sure it's really nice, blended, and set. Now I'm gonna take my P. Louise base, Rumor Zero, the white one of my faves, and my Dose of Colors concealer brush, and we're just going to carve us out a lid. We're only taking it to right there. All right, we're gonna take the beautiful, this is such a beautiful brown shadow. It's killing me. It's called Suede, and that's exactly what it's like. And we're just gonna take this and tap this on the very outer part of the eye. And we'll kind of just deepen right through there and then continue to tap. Perfect. And then what I did is I continued to tap, and then when I get it to where I want it, I just start to do circular motions and start bringing it outward. Now I'm gonna take this beautiful pigmented white shade and just tap it right over the base. And then start to melt this over here. Now this just screams 4th of July to me, so we're gonna turn this into an eyeliner, and I'm gonna use my Inglot mixing medium here, Inglot Duraline, and I'm gonna put this on the back of my hand and I'm gonna mix it. All right, I got it mixed on the back of my hand. The shade is, it's the Tarte Wild and Free Chrome Paint. I don't know what the shade is. We're gonna figure that out at a later date, but Dose of Colors. Called Wild and Free, but I got too excited and forgot everything. And this is a Dose of Colors wing liner brush. Look at that. It looks wet, but it's not. I just grabbed another brush, a MAC 228, went right into the exact mixture we were using, and we're just gonna tap that on top of the wing. Now I actually want to keep my skin really, really fresh and kind of lighter coverage today, but I'm still going to use my Rimmel Stay Matte Primer because it's what we need. It's still summertime out there. As always, I'm going to use my brush and work this mainly towards the center of the face and then lightly spread it out that way. I'm not doing foundation because once we use this, you're going to be like, wowed. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter, and it's amazing. It's basically a skin perfector in a bottle, and it's incredibly, incredibly lightweight. If you watch my no makeup tutorial, you can hear me talk about it more there on YouTube. I'm going to take my Smith 151 as always and work this into the skin. Woo. Some pretty looking spicy skin. Just popped on my lava lashes in the style Angelic. They're so pretty. Alright guys, fresh new Kylie concealer. My favorite. I actually bought these myself. I'm going to start with Himalaya. Oh, and I love the way it smells when it's fresh. A little bit of Himalaya. And then we'll pop gypsum on just right here. I use Himalaya to more color correct, and then I'll use gypsum just to brighten. And I use a lot less of gypsum. Boom, done. Alright, we're going to melt this into the skin. Look at that. It's just like instant fabulous. And then I'll take whatever's on my blender and go down my nose. But I really take my time working this in. Got my Kylie soft pink powder. I'm going to take it on my blender. It looks like I'm going to bake, but I'm not. I'm going to work this in until all of this powder disappears. And that's really going to help with creasing. Look at the difference. It completely gets rid of that indentation right there. That is amazing. I love the Kylie powder in soft pink. So I just got this powder from Juvia's Place. It's in the shade Sahara. And it's like a more beigey yellow, and I've been going underneath here. I did this last night and I was like obsessed. Wait till you see how this shapes the face. And I'll only put it right there. Now I'm going to take my Elsie setting powder in the shade medium. And I'm just going to go ahead and set the rest of the face. Notice I'm not touching that. We are going to put bronzer on. We're going to use powder bronzer today. Still using that same powder, and I'm just going to set through here and then kind of press it through here. I'm about to go get a blowout, so we'll see. I don't have on that much makeup, so it shouldn't be that much when I go to wash my hair. Time to bronze. We're going to use Toasty again from Kylie. I think it's my absolute favorite. It's definitely my favorite powder bronzer at the moment. And I'm not going to go too wild with the bronzer. I say that, and then I'm like, by the time! Favorite blush, Body on the Block. Just going to add that for that perfect summer flush. A little across the forehead, and then a little across the nose and the chin. My favorite blush. Okay, you know the old bronzer brush trick. I still use this one. And it has a little bit of bronzer on it, so I just like to wipe off the powder with that. Grabbing my Ride or Die, this is the Kylie You're Perfect powder. And we'll just pop this right underneath here. You can see what a difference that already makes. It seems like a lot of powder, but all of these are so lightweight, and they just really help shape the face. I love this shade of red, and I haven't worn it in forever. It's called Boss from Kylie Cosmetics. I'm going to do my bottom lip first. And then this is a lip kit, so I have the lip liner that matches. Ooh, that's a pretty red. And since everything's so wild and spicy, I'm going to do this shade as my inner corner with a MAC 228. See, you still get that nice effect. I'm wiping off my brush, and then I'm just going to soften the edges. Lately, I've not been doing any highlighter, but the way I've been doing my concealer, you kind of still see it. So that's not highlight, that's just a shining through of the lighter concealer. I want to do like an in-depth of this new routine. It's just working out really cute, and it's really, it feels new. It feels spicy. It feels like, you know, we're not getting rid of highlighter, we're just kind of putting it away for a second, and I like it. Since it is the 4th of July, we're going to add a touch of glitter, and all I'm going to do is just pop it right here. And this is the Urban Decay. I'm going to layer that till you can kind of see it. But it's the Urban Decay Disco Dream. Disco Daydream. Yeah, that's what it is. Heavy metal. Glitter liner. Party. Head by all. Alright guys, we're all done. I'm going to go get this hair washed. It's my anniversary. I'm getting a blowout. We're doing fancy. Except for not fancy at all, because all I want to do is go to the zoo and maybe eat a cheese plate. That's literally all I want.